Imagine you are inside a mall and someone suddenly collapses right in front of you. Your first instinct is to help, but then a question hits you. What if I make a mistake? What if their family blames me? Can I get sued for trying to help? Many Filipinos are hesitant to intervene during emergencies due to concerns about potential legal repercussions. Good day, and welcome to this vlog. Today we are talking about a doctrine called the Good Samaritan Doctrine, a principle that encourages people to help others without fear of getting into trouble. The Good Samaritan Doctrine protects ordinary individuals who attempt to assist during emergencies. In simple terms, if you assist someone in good faith, meaning you genuinely want to help and you act with reasonable care, the law generally does not hold you legally responsible for honest mistakes. The idea is straightforward. During emergencies, people do not always have time to think or act perfectly. The law recognizes this reality and protects those who step up instead of walking away. When we say good faith, we mean that you help without any intention to harm. You act because you believe it's the right thing to do. Meanwhile, reasonable care means behaving in the same manner as an ordinary careful person would do in the same situation. You don't need medical training or special skills. You need to act responsibly, call for help, keep the person safe, and avoid actions that are obviously risky. Because of this doctrine, you're protected in many real-life situations. If someone faints in a public place and you call security, stay with them, or help keep them comfortable until medical assistance arrives, the law supports you. If you assist someone after a road accident because you think staying in the middle of traffic is dangerous, you are protected. Even during disasters like floods or typhoons, when you help a neighbor reach safety, the law recognizes and respects that effort. You're doing what any responsible person would do during a crisis. However, the Good Samaritan Doctrine does not protect reckless or dangerous behavior. If your actions clearly exceed what a reasonable person would do, then the protection may not apply. For example, if you try to fix someone's broken bone without knowing what you're doing, or if you give them random medicine because you assume it helps, those actions can make the situation worse. Similarly, if you drag an injured person violently when there is no immediate danger, or if you prioritize filming the incident instead of actual helping, the law will view these actions as careless and irresponsible. In these cases, the doctrine won't shield you. To put this into everyday Filipino scenarios, if a person collapses in a mall and you clear the area, call for help, and check if they are breathing, you are protected. If you help someone move away from a danger after a motorcycle crash along EDSA, you are protected. If flood water rises and you guide someone to a safer place, you are protected. But if you try a risky life hack CPR technique you saw online without proper knowledge and it harms the person, then that is no longer reasonable care. The Good Samaritan Doctrine is important because emergencies can occur anywhere and at any time. Most of the time, regular people, not doctors or police, are the first to respond. This doctrine encourages people to act with compassion instead of fear. It helps build a community where people support each other because they know the law recognizes good intentions. The next time you see someone who needs help, remember that the law supports individuals who choose to care. You do not have to be a hero, you just have to be a human. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helps you understand your rights and responsibilities when you offer assistance in emergencies.